Presiding over an emergency meeting on economic affairs this morning, President Yoon Suk-yeol ordered officials to install a financial safety valve and to stay on guard.
국민과 시장의 불안감을 덜어줄 수 있는 안전판을 정부가 선제적으로 구축해야 됩니다. 외환시장의 수급 환경을 개선할 수 있도록 외환당국과 국민연금 간의 외환 수합 이런 것들을 비롯해서 이미 발표한 조치에 더해서 안전판을 선제적으로 확대해 나가겠습니다.
He promised to inject funds as early as possible to stabilize local stock markets and remove red tape to secure more foreign investment. The Korean won has sharply fallen against the greenback in recent months, and the markets remain choppy. President Yoon also ordered officials to do what they can to bolster exports. South Korea posted a monthly current account deficit in August, but the government's financial bodies do forecast a turnaround by the end of the year.